Okay, I want to show you how to run an ANOVA on your TI. So the first thing you need to do is put in the data. And so if you go to second stat, it should say list. These are your lists, but you need to go first to stat. Okay, so second stat list is how you get to them, but to edit them, you go to the stat. So just push the stat button, and then you want to edit. And this is going to bring up your lists. And so I've put in, these are triathlon times in seconds of bike loops. And the question is are they different? Is there a difference between mile 1, 2, and 3 of this loop? So you can see here I put in the data. I didn't figure you wanted to watch me input data, but you want to start by putting the data in. Now we've done this before. If you go back here to this edit button, you can clear an entire list if you need to clear out some data at times. And to do that, you'd go to clear, and then you'd go to second stat, and you'd pick the list you want. So I don't want to clear any of those, so say list 5, and then it would just clear that. So your first thing is get your data in. So you can see I've got lists 1 through 3 in. Then you're going to go back to stat thing, you're over to test. At the very bottom of your test should be ANOVA. And then you're going to put in, and this, both on my TI-84 Plus and this, it comes up like this, where then you have to fill it in. You're going to go to second stat for your list. You're going to pick where yours are. So list 1, go back, and I'm going to get list 2. And then I'm going to go back one more time, and I'm going to get list 3, and then I'm going to close my parentheses. Then I'm going to hit enter. So there are our F statistics and all that stuff that you might be asked for. What we care about right here is this p-value, this second one, 3.45 e to the negative 5. So this is actually 3.4 times 10 to the negative 5th. In other words, it's pretty much 0. This is well under our 0.05 that we usually check for, and we'd be able to reject and say there's a difference between these 3 lap times. You can see if you go down with your arrows, all the information you get in Excel is all right here as well. So if you're looking for any of that, it's there. This is running a 0.05 test. As far as I know, there's not a way to change that on the TI. There is a way in Excel. So this F value, if you were using it, is a 0.05 F value. But we're not focusing on that. We're just focusing on how to run it and how to get the P value.